Hi guys, how are you? We will discuss about the cryptocurrencies today. The basic about cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital currency which is an alternative form of payment created using encryption algorithms. The use of encryption technologies means that cryptocurrency functions both as a currency as a virtual accounting system. To use cryptocurrency, you need a cryptocurrency wallet. These wallets can be softwares that in another forms like that is cloud-based service or is stored on your computer or on your mobile devices and other gadgets etc. The wallets are the tools through which you store your encryption keys that confirm your identity and link to your cryptocurrency. What are the risks to using cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies are still relatively new and the market for the digital currency is very volatile. Since cryptocurrency don't need banks or any other third party regulate them, they tend to be unissued and are hard to convert into a form of tangible currency such as US dollars or euros etc. In addition, since cryptocurrency are technology-based integrable assets, they can be hacked like any other intangible technology assets. Finally, since you store your cryptocurrency in a digital wallet, if you lose your wallet or access to it or to wallet backups, you have lost your entire cryptocurrency investment. Follow the following steps you protect your cryptocurrencies. Look before you leap. Before investing in a cryptocurrency, be sure you understand how it works, when it can be used, and how to exchange it. Read the web page for the currency itself, such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, so that you are fully understand how it works, and read independent articles on the cryptocurrencies you are considered as well. Use a trustworthy wallet. It is going to take some research on your part to choose the right wallet for you needs. If you choose to manage your cryptocurrency wallet with a local application on your computer or mobile devices, then you will need to protect this wallet at a level consistent with your investment, just like you would carry $1 million around in a paper bag. Don't choose an unknown or lesser known wallet to protect your cryptocurrency. You want to make sure that you use a trustworthy wallet. Have a backup strategy. Think about what happens if your computer or mobile device or whenever you store your wallet is lost or stolen, or if you don't otherwise have access to it. Without a backup strategy, you will have no way of getting your cryptocurrency back and you could lose your investment. You have to very secure in these regards. We will discuss about the resources now. Learn more about cryptocurrencies for FTC articles. What to know about cryptocurrency? Read the Forbes articles. Give guide to the cryptocurrency exchanges. How to exchange the cryptocurrency. Now we will discuss how to exchange these currencies. Guide to top cryptocurrency exchange. There are more than 1600 cryptocurrencies in circulation today with a combined market capital of over $289 billion. It's a big market, guys. According to Coin Market Capital data, investors around the world are eager to trade in the rapidly growing space, and a slew of cryptocurrency platforms have emerged to meet the need for infrastructure to support the exchange of digital currencies. Through they call themselves exchange from an investor standpoint, they function similarly to e-brokerage, and their rapid rise is remains remaining of the explosion of electronics discount broker firm during the document and bubble of the late 1990s. The exchange allows consumer buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies whether through fiat currencies like dollars, euros or yens etc. or another cryptocurrencies like bitcoins or Ethereum. Less common cryptocurrencies called altcoins often must be traded against Bitcoins cannot be purchased directly with fiat currencies. Not every exchange support every coin and many investors use more than one platforms. The law governing these exchanges vary widely based on the location and the type of services each exchange offers. Some exchanges are unregulated, some are not available to consumers in certain countries, and all are vulnerable to an ever-changing regulatory environment after China's crackdown on cryptocurrencies in November 2017. Chinese exchanges were forced to move their operations elsewhere or shut down completely. Other exchanges recently suspended services to Japanese customers are following new guidelines issued by the Japanese Financial Service Agency. American exchanges are subject to state by state regulation as well as federal guidelines. New York State, for instance, implement bit license regulation which grant license to virtual currency business in 2015. To date, there are more than 200 cryptocurrency exchanges that support active trading, and the combined 24-hour trade volume of the top 10 is more than 6.5 billion. Below, take a closer look at some of the major exchanges operating today. All data is as of 3 p.m. 19 June 2018. Fee calculations are based on a Bitcoin trade worth $100,000. Founded in 2012, Coinbase is a wallet, an exchange, and a set of tools for merchants are built on the same platform. Most consider it be the built-in among crypto platforms. Users can buy, sell, store, and trade tokens, and Coinbase partners with companies like Expedia, Overstock.com, and Dish who want to accept Bitcoin payments. Coinbase was one of the first exchanges to find mainstream popularity in the United States. It was also the first cryptocurrency startup to attain unicorn status, a valuation of more than $1 billion. The platform is easy to use and popular with beginners, and it now has more than 20 million accounts. Coinbase sisters platform GDAX is instead for more advantages. Trade has far lower fees per trade. See below. GDAX will become Coinbase Pro later this month. In June, the company announced plan to enter the Japanese crypto market, and it recently acquired Keystone Capital in a bid to become an second regulated broker-dealer in May. Coinbase also announced that it had acquired Paradox and a decentralized exchange platform that allows users to trade tokens directly between their wallets without the assistance of the third party. The company plans to offer this service to international users before making it available to US customers.